Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, subscribe and save sounds great until you forget about it. Suddenly boxes keep showing up and money keeps leaving your account. So canceling in 2026 is quite easy, but only if you know where to look. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and check on how to actually cancel a subscription and save subscription in Amazon Shopping or Amazon.com in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to look for Amazon.com or Amazon Shopping app if you are on Android or even iOS. Then we're gonna go log in using our email address and password. Tap on this to your account. You will be able to see orders, accounts, recommendations, and all of this. Go all the way to membership and subscriptions. As for now, you can see multiple options including subscribe and save, Audible audiobooks, Prime Video, and even Amazon Pay whatsoever. Go and pick, for example. As for me, I don't have any subscriptions, but for you guys, you will be able to see them here. Choose the item you want to cancel, then tap cancel subscription. Confirm the cancellation, and that's it. You should also cancel before the next shipment date. You can also skip deliveries instead of canceling. As for a pro kind of tip, canceling one item doesn't affect your other subscribe and save discounts, so keep it in mind. And that's it. That's basically how you cancel a subscription and save subscription the right way in 2026. No stress, no customer support, no extra charges, nothing basically. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.